Let me show you how you can apply a gradient on your text. After the last update, it's a really simple process now. Simply select a text or add a new text using the text panel. After that, head for text color at the top menu. Like before, you will see solid colors first, but if you scroll all the way down, now we can see gradients. You only see some of them, so click See All. And as you can see, we got a large selection of gradients. Some of them go from left to right, some of them go from the top to the bottom, or also diagonally like this. So select the gradient you like, and here it is. If the gradient is not applying, you can try to select the text. So the text is highlighted like that, and it will solve that problem. Here it is. It's a golden gradient or silver one, and that's how easy it is after the new update. So simply click on the text box, text color, scroll all the way down, click See All, and select the gradient you like. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.